Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. I was just playing with slime, but wanted to show you so you will see them. Just not right now because I'm trying to get them in a row. Wait, which one to go first? This is my stack of it. I have more. I have way much more. What I'm playing on my slime on is this, like, cap for something. So this is an orange slime that I made at my friend. It's not stretchy. It's, like, super glittery, though. If you, like, see all those glitters, can you comment down below what colors I used? There's 3. One hint is blue, purple, and then you gotta guess the other one. So that's the first one. It leaves like kind of a weird texture on your hands after you're done playing with it. It's such a tiny slime in there. Next we have this green big slime. It has fruit slices in it. Hold on. It has fruit slices in it. And it's nice and pretty. And it does make good bubbles. So now, that's what it looks like. The color is just made out of glitter. No lie, I used only glitter for this. And it's pretty surprising. So, I got slime on my rug. Okay, there's all different kind of fruit slices. My favorite right now has to be the dragon fruit in here. It's so cool. Next, we have this other green slime. You can see it's in this red container. It's the other green slime. It's technically the same, just without fruit slice, and it's not as big. That's why I put it in a tinier container. So I made these batches separately. It's sticky. Ready, guys? ASMR. Ready? Starting now. Okay, ASMR is over. I just cannot do an ASMR. It's hard. I mean, it's not like hard. I just have to talk on this channel. So you guys, I got bunny fur on me because of my rabbit. Okay, next we have this blue slime. This isn't good. Ugh. Not even stretchy, first of all. That looks cool, though. Oh my god, and it just breaks. Not even clicky. Not even clicky. See, guys? If you hear that, you don't hear anything. See? That's the problem. It's not clicky. I hate it. Yeah. It's so annoying and stupid. I don't like slimes that like don't click. Ugh, I don't like it. Next we have this pretty blue pigment slime that I made. The reason why I have it in this big container is because it normally melts. This melts a lot, and I normally have to put a lot of activator in it. And so, yeah. It's pretty pigmented. Hold on, I'll show you after I get all this off. Okay, this is pretty pigmented. It's much brighter. Not on the camera. I like it though. It's pretty cool. I did put like kinetic sand. No, I put instant snow in it, but it just didn't turn cloud slime. If for some reason it's chunky, it made the slime chunky. So that's that slime. It's awesome and I love it. No, I might be doing a live if I can. Or if I do. So next we, and actually last, we have this purple slime. This is so pretty. This one my friend made for me. No, yeah, I made it. My friend made me a bad purple slime. That was loud. So this one I also put in kinetic sand, but it's just clumpy. Now I like what it looks like on the camera. On the camera, it's much darker, and like in real life, it's like so light and stuff. The slime is super chunky, but it makes it crunchy. Like the instant snow makes it crunchy. This is without bubbles. That's just because of the instant snow. I think it is. Okay, let's try slime swirl. Oh, that was already a fail. It's super drippy. I don't know why. Nope, fail. Anyways, that was my last slime, and I hope I see you guys later, and subscribe to my channel, turn on that post notification bell, and like my videos. There's one more slime, but it's not that pretty at all. It looks dark on the camera, but it looks much better in real life. It's disgusting. This is perfect slime swirl. It has so much beads, but it's like so thick or thin. I don't know. You can't even stretch it. First of all, it's like so hard. Yeah. Anyway, so like I was saying, turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and like my video. Not all of them. Like some of my videos, and I hope you guys have an amazing day tomorrow, and bye!